going to use GDC to solve the questions here. First, factorize 2x squared minus 11x minus 6. Choose add calculator, and then we choose menu, algebra. And number 3, polynomial tools. Find roots of polynomial. As the highest degree is 2, we're going to choose that. The roots are real. And this is a coefficient for x squared. Okay, and then A1 is a coefficient of B. Coefficient of x, or in the general form we know it as b. Alright, and negative 6 for that one, and we get this. And this is actually the value if we solve this, if we solve the quadratic equation. How are we gonna write this if we gonna show in a factorized form? So we're going to write like this. The denominator going to be together with the x, and if it's negative, it's going to be positive in the bracket. And if it is positive, it's going to be negative in the bracket. This is how we're going to write this as the answer. Okay. Next, I use your answer in part 1. Solve these inequalities, which is less than 0. So use the answer, and from here we know the value is negative half and 6. These are the roots, means this is where it crosses at the x-axis, or the x-intercept. Okay, we're gonna graph this. I'm gonna put a control doc, that will be at page, at graph. I'm gonna have this, and we're gonna put everything again, the whole function again, 11x minus 6. I'm going to plot the graph here. You see the graph being cut off, so maybe we need to change the limit here. Right, so it's still not there, maybe negative 25. Let's have a look. Okay, so then the negative half that we get earlier is where it crosses this part, and the 6 is here. Okay, we can also do it this way. We can also use analyze graph 0. 0 means where when the y is 0. Okay, you can see negative half, and also this one, another one. What do we do with the other side? And then trace this, 6. So this inequality said less than 0 means we refer to the y-axis. Less than 0 means below part of it. Where is the y less than 0? So the below part. They were asking what are the x values when the y is less than 0. See in this graph, this curved part below here, from negative half to 6, are the part where the graph less than 0. So the answer should be negative. Okay, so maybe we can, so the answer should be negative. I just want to use this negative half, or negative 0.5. Okay, so negative 0, negative, okay, let's choose this, 0.5, and then should be x is bigger than that, and x is less than 6. Right, this is a part where this the graph less than 0, value for y is less than 0. So you're going to write like this for the answer second part. Okay, and then B, solve the equation. All right, give your answer correct to 2 decimal places. This is a hint where you need to use the formula. The negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac and everything over 2a. If you want to use calculator, we can use calculator to chat, because they want to see it working. Alright, so again, we use a function algebra, polynomial tools, find root, degree 2. Okay, and then we just put all this as it's already arranged with x squared, x, and last value here, negative 5 here. Okay, and alright, solve the equation. So this should be the answer. Okay.